I've found something strange in Minecraft physics having to do with redstone repeaters that I can't explain. So I figured I'd make a video demonstrating the oddity and see if anyone else could come up with an explanation. For this video I'll be using my clock that I demonstrated in my last video, which is on for 3 ticks and off for 4.5 ticks at this output for a total of 7 ticks. But I'll be changing the timing of it, so I'm going to replace this torch here onto the ground just so it doesn't burn out. Now, as I said, it's 3 on, 4.5 off for a total of 7.5. And if I replace a redstone repeater, it actually doesn't change the clock at all. But if I then change this to be a 2 delay repeater, suddenly you'll notice that the clock became faster. In fact, now it's become a 2 tick on, 4 tick off, 6 tick per cycle clock. And this is the basic phenomenon that I want to ask about, is why does sometimes extracting a signal from a block with a redstone repeater cause the mechanics of whatever that block is doing to change. I could just, leave it there, but I'll demonstrate this a little further because there is a lot more that can be done with this. So, again, all of this is just going to be extracting signal. It doesn't actually affect in any way the clock according to theory of how Minecraft physics should work. So right now it's a 6 tick clock, 2 on, 4 off. If I place a repeater here though, it now speeds up to a 1 tick at this output. It's a 1 tick on, 4 tick off for a total of 5 ticks total. If I put a repeater here, it speeds up a little more. Now it's 4.5 ticks per cycle, 1 tick on, 3.5 ticks off at this output, also at that output. And there's other strange things you can do with this, such as if I put this to 4 ticks and it doesn't really change that, or it actually changes it back to the 5 tick clock from before. But if I now put this to 2 ticks, you'll notice that the clock picks up kind of 2 cycles that alternate. And it turns out that this output now is a total of 10.5 ticks per complete cycle. And another thing you do is remove both of those, but only leave that one at a 4 tick delay. And this output is now 14 ticks per cycle, and it's something like 3 on, 3.5 off, 3 on, 4.5 off. But also the position of this repeater doesn't matter. Still get the speed up or slow down. And this repeater can be moved over here to change the timing, but this one you can't move it over here or anything. It has to be there for some reason. But by changing the timing on these repeaters, you can change the output here. And actually, by combining those 4 different outputs and changing the timings, you can make dozens of different clocks from this one base clock, which is convenient, but it still doesn't explain why this works at all. So I guess tell me in the comments.